everyone. Today we are actually going to review some question that will be on your test. Today is actually for English. So let's just get started. Look at number 1. For this one, we only have to fill the blanks correctly. Okay, so let's see. Jim asks, what is this? What is this? So if the question is like this, what is this? You cannot answer that is, those are, these are, but you see, this is. What is this? This is. Now look at the picture here. This is actually a flower because there is only one flower here. So we just have to write here, this is a flower, like that. The next question, number 2. Lila asks, what is that? So as usual, we have to take a look at the question first because the question is what is that? So we have to answer that is, and look at the picture here. It is actually a bird. So we have to write here that is a bird. Okay, now let's see number 3, the next number. Nara asks, what are these? So we have to answer these are, and let's see the picture. There are 2 ants, so we have to write here these are ants. Okay, for this one, these is actually a bit different than these 2 questions. This and that. This and that, I remind you, both of them are used to one things only. Okay, so only one things that we can say with this and that. But for these, it's actually more than one thing. And look at number 4. Faye asks, what are those? So those is the same with these. Okay, so these and those are used to say more than one thing. Number 4, what are those? Those are this one. They are bees. So we have to write here, those are bees. Okay. So we actually use these to say the things, only one things that is near to us, okay, near to the speaker. And for that, this is also for one thing, but the difference between this and that, this is close to the speaker. For that, it is actually far from the speaker. The things actually far from the speaker. And for these, to say more than one thing that is close to the speakers. And for those, to say more than one things that are far from the speaker. Okay, for number 5 to 8, we only have to write how many animals there are. Okay, let's see number 5. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 horses. Okay, so we put s in every things that are more than 1. Okay, for the next number, number 6. I've got 1, 2 cows and 1 goat. Okay, 2 cows and 1 goat. Number 7. I've got 1, 2, 2 goats and 1 goose. 2 goats and 1 goose. Okay, for the last question. I've got 1, 2, 2 geese. Remember that goose only for 1. If it is more, if this animal are more than 1, we can say it geese. So not gooses or something like that, but it becomes geese. Okay, so there are 2 geese and 1, 2 sheep. 2 geese and 1 and 2 sheep. We don't have to use s. This is a special word that we cannot put s in sheep. Okay, sheep doesn't use s even if it actually more than 1. So there is no s after this word sheep. Okay, so for the word sheep, it is actually a special word that we cannot put s after the word. Okay, so for sheep, if it is more than 1, it is not sheeps, but it's actually only sheep, even if it is more than 1.